How Instagram algorithm works in 2021 according to our experience.
When you post on Instagram, firstly your post shows to your followers, plus people who searches you through hashtags. On your post generally people like and comment, some share in their story, some save it. Many like and comment and also enjoyed your content, not many likes and comments. Let us understand each steps in detail. People when like and comment, Instagram will show it more people. More people interact with your post, Instagram will boost your post on top of the Explore plus hashtag pages of people with similar interest and hence, you grow. When anyone share your post to their story, more people will see your account then, more people will interact your post and Instagram will again boost your post, on top of the Explore plus hashtag pages of people with similar results, hence, again you grow. What happened when anyone saved the post? Instagram thought that they will come back again. And hence, Instagram will boost your post on top of the Explore plus hashtag pages of people with similar results, which ultimately again grow your post. Some people like your post and comment, and also they enjoyed your content. This means they will come back for more. So, you only need to understand their behavior and keep posting to make them engage. This also helps you in growing. There will be many people who will not like your post and comments. The basic this is that you must ignore these people and keep posting. It's because it's not the end of the world.